Welcome to the project demonstration of footstep power generation for mobile phone charging based on the RFID tag. And in this project we had added one more two features like LDR based light controlling system and temperature based fan controlling system. So here based on the temperature, whenever we have coded the Arduino UNO for 45 degrees centigrade, whenever it crosses the 45 degrees centigrade, then UNO board will switch on this fan. And coming to the darkness also, whenever the darkness is detected, then automatically this light will be getting switched on. So the whole system driven by the power supply of 12 volts battery, which is a rechargeable battery, and this is going to be recharged through these piezo plates which we mounted underneath these two plates. So when walking on these plates, then the power will be generated. The generated power will be measured by the UNO board and displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen. And as we know that it won't provide the sufficient voltage to charge a battery. So for that purpose we are going to use a boost converter here, so which will step up the voltage which to the sufficient voltage for the battery. So this is the output from the piezo plates. So while demonstration, so connect the P at this P or T slots. So if you want to charge a battery from the transformer by providing the 230 volts inputs, so then you need to connect the T at the same slots. B to the B is already connected, and this one is the main on-off switch supply for the whole system to run. So coming to the interfacing, so we have interfaced the piezo plates at A0 pin, and the next from there parallelly we have took the output from the piezo plates to the boost converter and boost converter to the charging circuit. So here we are using the regulated power supply board which will convert AC to DC. When we connected the transformer, then only this rectifier will act as a AC to DC converters. Normally they won't act as normal, they act as a short circuit directly. And next the output of this rectifier will be given to the smoothing capacitor, and from there to the 12 volt 1 amp battery. So this is the battery pack, consists of 4 volt batteries of 3 numbers in series. So we will get 12 volt 1 amp. And from there we are providing the outputs directly to the UNO board, as it will take the 12 volts DC inputs, and then it start reading inputs from the piezo plates and the LM35 temperature sensor at A1. This one is A0, A1 LM35, LDR A2. So based on this temperature input from the A1, we are going to control the 11th pin of this LED fan and 10th pin of this LED based on the input from this LDR sensor. And coming to the mobile phone charging, so here we are going to use universal connector to charge like iPhone and C type and B type. Just we need to connect the USB slot at this section, and you can connect a mobile phone. So this one. So when we show the tag, so then the system will check the RFID validity, and then based on that it will provide the charging for at least 60 seconds. So for demonstration purpose we kept the time of 60 seconds, but in real time it can be up to half an hour or 15 minutes. So the RFID purpose in our project is authentication purpose. Only authenticated persons can charge their mobile phone. So in further future implementation we can add an inverter to charge the laptops also. So here as we explained, piezo plates and these two transistor boards to control these two output loads, and this one is the charging circuits, battery, 16:2 LCD screen, and this one is the RFID reader, and this is going to be the electromagnetic relay which is used to on and off the charging outputs. So let us see the demonstration. If you want to charge a battery from the transformer, disconnect the P and connect the T at this section, and then switch on the cable. So then there is a light indication on the charger. So it will be fully charged in a duration of 8 to 10 hours if it's fully discharged. So otherwise you can just charge it for 2 to 3 hours is enough, and then you can disconnect that and reconnect. Now it is going to be the complete project flow, and switch on the kits. There will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. So as of now the darkness is detected, so that's why the light got switched on. So if we switch on the torch light, flashlight, right. So when I switch on this torch light, when lighting is detected, then the light automatically off and on. So we can see the one more light indication on the LDR board also. right. And coming to the temperature, so just using this heating elements, we are going to increase the temperature. You can see the temperature value on the 16-bit LCD screen. So right, if we set the temperature for 40 degrees, so you can see the fan is rotating, and when the temperature comes down to below 40 degrees centigrade, then automatically it will be off. So this is the automation. And coming to the power generation, right. So now you can see that. So you can see the power is generating when I applying force on this piezo plate section. So right, and the next, so if you want to charge any mobile phone, just show the RFID tag, then the system will show the tag number, and then automatically the relay got switched on and the timer is running. So you can see that it is charging now. Right. So after that particular time is completed, timer over, then automatically it will be off the charging section. So here on this like piezo plate section, we have mounted the around 12 piezo plates. In that 3 are parallel, and like that we kept the total 4 parallel sections. So and these are all completely series. So we will get the maximum current to charge a battery with help of this boost converter. So we can see the voltage is varying when I am applying the force. Right. So the timer is completed. Automatically the charger is off.